Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your digital portfolio in Google Drive using folders that you will share with your teacher. First, click the New button in the upper left corner. Then click Folder. Please title this with your first and last name and then the name of whatever class you are in. So I'm going to title mine Tess Stillwell Drawing, and then click Create. It should jump down to where the folder is in your bank of folders. The next thing you need to do is right-click on the folder, go up to Share, and click that. I'm in Miss Moore's drawing class, so I'm going to type in her name, and her email pops up automatically at the top. When I click that, I want to go to this checkbox right underneath Miss Moore's name and unclick Notify People. That's going to make sure that Miss Moore doesn't have a lot of emails chunking up her inbox. Then I just click Share. The icon is a little different than the other folder icons nearby. This person here shows that it's been shared with someone. If I need to double check, I can right-click, click Share again, and it will show who's allowed to view and edit that folder. Inside that folder, I actually need to create a few subfolders. So I'm going to go to that New button again and click Folder. This one I'm going to title with my first and last name and then Portfolio. This is where all of the images of my final work will go before I submit them in Google Classroom. And then click Create. So whenever I have a finished product, I would open up the portfolio, click the New button again in the upper left corner, and click File Upload. Then choose the image that I need to upload and click Open. Once the upload is finished, I need to make sure to rename it as well. Right-click on the file and choose Rename close to the middle. Again, I'm going to title this with my first and last name, and I need to put what the title of the project was. So this would be Tess Stillwell 1-Point Perspective Name. Going back to my main folder, I need to create a subfolder for each project as I'm working on it. This way, I will have gathered all of my reference images, and I can go back to that each day as I work on the project. I click the New button again in the upper left and choose Folder. I'm going to title this with the name of the project, Heart Drawing References, because these are the photos I will need to reference while I'm creating my drawing. Click Create, and then I'll double-click that and upload the images that I need. So I'll click New again and File Upload. You can upload one picture at a time or multiple pictures at once. Remember that if you're uploading multiple pictures at once, that it will take a little bit longer, so make sure that you give it time to think and fully upload. One thing to keep in mind is that once I've shared that main folder, everything that I create or upload within that folder is going to automatically be shared with my teacher. So you don't have to worry about sharing anything else again. Once I have the final project in my portfolio, now it's time to go to Google Classroom and turn it in. Here I am in Google Classroom in Miss Moore's drawing class. When I go and click View Assignment, I need to click Add or Create like normal, and instead of choosing a file, I'm going to go to my Google Drive. If you've just recently posted the image, it'll probably show up in your recent. If not, you can always go to My Drive or search in Drive. Make sure that you give it time to load, and then click Turn In.